Happy morning, ma'am.
Happy morning, sir.
Thank you. Thank you for joining 6 a.m. Happiness Dose. Are you ready?
Thank you. Thank you. Very special.
Are you happy?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Good. So that is what we required. So let us be happy. Let's practice happy so that we can make everyone around us happy.
Yes.
Yes. So why we required this happiness club? So before doing anything, we should know why we need to do this thing. So the reason why we are doing this happiness club is, so there is a World Happiness Index. So in 2021, out of 149 countries, India placed 139th. This tells us why we required this happiness club, right?
Yes, sir.
There are all our neighborhood countries are much ahead of us. They are even below 100, including Pakistan and Afghanistan. So it's time for us to take some action. Let us be happy. Let's work on a simple things. We don't want to do bigger things. Let's focus on doing a simple things to improve our happiness, to make ourselves powerful through happiness. So are we all ready?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So how we can improve the happiness? According to the science, there are 4 happiness chemicals. So those are nothing but, we call it as acronym as DOSE. Dopamine, a reward chemical; oxytocin, a love hormone; serotonin, a mood stabilizer; and endorphin, the painkiller. So whenever you have an appreciation, whenever you reward someone, whenever you feel the success, you'll get a dopamine. Whenever you feel the love, whenever you play with others, have a fun-filled activities, then you'll get oxytocin. Whenever you do yoga, meditation, exercise, you'll get serotonin. And whenever you do a laughing, and whenever you do a comedy show, and whenever you eat dark chocolate, you'll get endorphin. So these are like a simple task where you can do to improve the happiness in you. So shall we get into action? Shall we start? Okay, are you all ready? Hello? Are you there?
Yes, sir. Ready, sir.
Yes. So now we are going to do a smiley challenge. Okay? You can see a pen, right? So what you need to do is, first sit in a comfortable position. Take a long and deep breath. Inhale. Close your eyes. Think of a beautiful moment which makes you so happy. And slowly exhale. Now open your eyes. Now you can see left bottom. When you touch the screen, in left bottom, you can see a small pen, right? Pen or pencil. Select that pen or pencil. You can select the width of your pen or pencil. You can select the color of your pencil. Select it, whatever the color you like it.
Not coming, sir.
It will come,
yes,
ma'am.
sir.
Yeah.
Okay.
So select it and draw a beautiful smiley, whatever the feeling you have. I see Gopi sir is doing and Lakshmi Narayan sir is doing. So don't draw it on another one smiley. We have a Huge space here on the screen. Okay. So be slowly, don't be in a hurry. Yeah. Cool, cool, cool. That's good. Gokul, you too can draw a smiley. Lakshmi Narayan sir.
வரமாட்டேங்குதே.
நீங்க வந்து ஸ்கிரீன் அப்படியே வச்சுக்கோங்க.
சரி, ஓகே.
சோ ஒரு இடத்துல காலியா இருக்கிற இடத்துல மட்டும் பண்ணுங்க. யா, குட் குட் குட். ஸ்லோவா பிராக்டிஸ் பண்ண வரும். டோன்ட் வரி. ஃபார் a practice will get it. ஏன்னா ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டைம் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கீங்கல்ல, it will be like that. Just ஒரு circle போடுங்க, then eyes and nose and beautiful smile. Okay. Okay, fine. Good. Superb. Good. Okay. Rani ma'am, you too can draw a smiley.
Sir.
Just touch on the screen. Screen மேல touch பண்ணீங்கன்னா கீழ left sideல ஒரு pencil தெரியும். Just take a pencil. உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்ச கலர் எடுத்துட்டு first ஒரு circle போடுங்க, ஒரு ரெண்டு கண்ணு வைங்க, then a smiley face. Shall we move on to next activity?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now, again, close your eyes. Take a long and deep breath. Inhale. Think of any beautiful moment. உங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிச்ச மூமெண்ட், உங்களை வந்து ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமா படுத்துற மூமெண்ட். Think of it. You are enjoying that moment. You are into that moment. You are feeling it. You are feeling it now. Inhale and slowly exhale. இப்ப நம்ம என்ன பண்ண போறோம்னா, the same thing வந்து நம்ம வந்து வரைய போறோம். So don't think, ஐயோ எனக்கு வந்து டிராயிங் வராதே அப்படின்னு நினைக்காதீங்க. யாருக்குமே டிராயிங் வராது. So think of ஒரு சின்ன குழந்தையா நினைச்சுக்கோங்க. ஏன்னா இந்த உலகத்துல ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமா இருக்கிறவங்க வந்து only the kids. Kids are the only people who always be happy. So நீங்க kids மாதிரி நினைச்சுக்கோங்க. Whenever you are into the happiness club, இந்த அரை மணி நேரம், இந்த 30 நிமிஷம் உங்களை நீங்க வந்து ஒரு சின்ன குழந்தையா நினைச்சுக்கோங்க. And do whatever you like it. No one cares. Okay? So whatever you did is right. So don't bother. So I'll write your names one by one. உங்களோட பாக்ஸ் மட்டும் ஜூம் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. ஓகேங்களா? So ஜூம் பண்ணிட்டு நீங்க அந்த பாக்ஸ் மட்டும் நீங்க ஒரு டிராயிங் போடுங்க. எந்த டிராயிங் வேணாலும். So இங்க இப்ப நீங்க நினைச்சுக்கிட்டீங்களா ஹாப்பியஸ்ட் மூமெண்ட். You felt the happiest moment, right? So regarding that happiest moment, so you draw something. Don't bother. என்னால டிராயிங் வரலனாலும் பரவாயில்ல. Whatever you draw, that is the best. Always think that you are the best and you are the great. So நான் போட்ட இவங்க மட்டும் நான் பேர் போட்டுட்டு இருக்கா, அவங்க மட்டும் அவங்க பாக்ஸ் ஜூம் பண்ணிட்டு அவங்க பாக்ஸ்ல மட்டும் டிராயிங் பண்ணுங்க. நீங்க டபுள் கிளிக் பண்ணீங்கன்னா ஜூம் ஆயிடும் ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்கா. ஆகுதா?
ஆகுது.
Good, good, good. So you can start drawing. நான் உங்க பேரெல்லாம் போட்டுட்டு இருக்கா. So you can start. Draw whatever you like it. இந்த பாக்ஸஸ் வந்து உங்களோட லிமிட்ன்ற மாதிரி. So உங்க லிமிட் எப்படி இருக்கும்? So everyone's life has a limit. அந்த லிமிட்டை தாண்டி நம்ம போக கூடாது. So that represents these boxes. Our life is like that. In your box, you can do anything because it's your life. No one bothers. People bothers only when you get into others' borders, right? So மத்தவங்களோட லிமிட்ஸ்குள்ள போனாதான் நம்மளை பத்தி மக்கள் நினைப்பாங்க. அது வரைக்கும் we would be more happy. So take your box, start drawing whatever makes you happy. Don't bother. ஐயோ எனக்கு டிராயிங் வராது, என் டிராயிங் வரலனாலும் பரவாயில்ல, ஒரு புலி போட்டாலும் சரி. You are doing something great. Come on, start your drawing. Gokul, see if you can do something. Good, good, good. Someone joins, it seems. Lakshmi ma'am, போடுங்க. போட்டீங்க. Gokul, you too can draw something. Lakshmi Narayanan sir. Lakshmi Narayanan sir. நீங்க இன்னும் ஆரம்பிக்கவே இல்ல. ஹலோ, இருக்கீங்களா?
சார் கிடைக்குது சார்.
என்ன சார்?
பேனா வரமாட்டேங்குதே, பென்சில் வரமாட்டேங்குதே.
நீங்க ஸ்கிரீன் மேல டச் பண்ணுங்க.
டச் பண்ணிட்டேன்.
லேப்ல அது காட்ட மாட்டேங்குது.
லெஃப்ட் சைடுல தெரியும் பாருங்க. தெரியுதா?
தெரியுது, வரமாட்டேங்குது. எடுத்து ஓடுது அப்படியே. இந்த எழுத்து வர மாட்டேங்குது.
வரும் பாருங்க. வந்துச்சா?
வர மாட்டேங்குதே, வரலையே.
சோ பென் தெரியுதா முதல்ல?
பென் பென் தெரியுது.
ஓகே, அது கிளிக் பண்ணீங்களா? அந்த பென்னை செலக்ட் பண்ணுங்க. Yes, super, super. போடுறீங்க. Good, good, good. So all your drawings are correct, and I'm sharing my love, and you are the star of the day. I'm giving you the stars. You're
Thank
the
you,
star
sir.
artist, huh? Yes, yes, yes. These are the compliments. We need to compliment for each and everything. Okay, good, good, good. Superb, superb, superb. Okay, so now we can stop it. Good. Good, good, good. Very good, very good, very good. So இப்ப என்னன்னா, you draw something. Okay? So ஒவ்வொருத்தரும் நீங்க மனசுக்குள்ள ஒன்னு நினைச்சிட்டீங்க. You thought something in your mind and you draw something. உங்க canvas மேல draw பண்ணீங்க. Don't bother. So இப்ப என்ன பண்ணணும்னா, உங்களுக்கு அடுத்தவங்க இருக்கிற drawing பார்த்துட்டு நீங்க என்ன நினைக்கிறீங்கன்னு சொல்லணும். So start with the Lakshmi Narayanan sir. So சார் வந்து தனுலக்ஷ்மி மேமோட டிராயிங்க பார்த்துட்டு சோ அவருக்கு என்ன புரிஞ்சுது, சோ அது என்ன இருந்தாலும் பரவாயில்ல, டோன்ட் பாதர். ஐயோ இது கரெக்டா இல்லையோ, இது நம்ம சொல்லலாமா வேண்டாவா, டோன்ட் பாதர். அது உங்களுக்கு பார்த்த உடனே என்ன தோணுதோ அது சொல்லுங்க. ஓகேவா? சோ லெட் அஸ் ஸ்டார்ட்.
டிவி ப்ரோகிராம் பண்ற மாதிரி இருக்கு.
சொல்லுங்க
டிவி
சார்.
ப்ரோகிராம், டிவி ப்ரோகிராம் பண்ற மாதிரி. டிவி ப்ரோகிராம்.
சூப்பர் சூப்பர், தட்ஸ் குட். தனலட்சுமி மேம், கோபி சாரோட
Yes, sir.
டிராயிங் பார்த்தா என்ன தோணுது?
யாரோட சார்?
கோபி சார். இங்க இது இந்த டிராயிங் நான் பாயிண்டர் காட்டுற பாருங்க. மூணாவது உங்களுக்கு அடுத்த டிராயிங்
flag.
இது மேல மேல ரைட் டாப்.
Okay, sir. Okay. மரம் கிரியிருக்காங்க சார்.
வெரி குட் சூப்பர். கோபி சார். ராணி மேம், இவங்களோட டிராயிங் பார்த்தா என்ன தோணுது?
டெடி பியர் ஃபேஸ் மாதிரி இருக்கு சார்.
சூப்பர், வெரி குட். ராணி மேம்.
சார்,
முத்து சாரோட டிராயிங் பார்த்தா என்ன தெரியுது?
ஒரு மவுஸ் மாதிரி இருக்குங்க சார். மவுஸ்
மாதிரி இருக்கு. வெரி குட். முத்து சார்.
எஸ்.
நந்தகுமார் சார் டிராயிங் பார்த்தா என்ன தெரியுது?
நந்தகுமார் இண்டிபெண்டன்ஸ் டே ஞாபகம் வருதுங்க.
சூப்பர். நந்தகுமார் சார்.
எஸ் சார்.
கோகுல் சாரோட டிராயிங் பார்த்தா what you can observe?
ஒரு இயற்கை காட்சி, ஒரு மலை,
சூப்பர்.
birds are flying on top.
சூப்பர். கோகுல் சார்.
Thank you.
அது அவங்க லக்ஷ்மி தானே சார் அவங்க பேரு?
ஆமா லக்ஷ்மி தான்.
ஓகே. இது வந்து எனக்கு அந்த வயக்காட்டுல வந்து அந்த சைடுல எல்லாம் முளைக்கும் சார் இந்த செடிகள்லாம். குளத்து பக்கத்துல, அதுதான் ஞாபகம் வருது.
சூப்பர். லக்ஷ்மி மேம். சோ லக்ஷ்மி நாராயணன் சாரோட டிராயிங் பார்த்தா என்ன தோணுது?
It is like a nest, a bird there.
Superb. Nest in a bird. So see, this is the beauty of life. So we feel something about us. but others look at something differently. So we are bothering what others is talking, what others is thinking. So don't bother about what others is thinking. It's their perception. It's not our perception. For example, Muthu's drawing. So for me, I can perceive that someone is watering plants. But Rani ma'am has looked at in a different way. It looks like a mouse. It is her own perception. It's my own perception. But Muthu sir might have in a different perception. So this is the beauty of perceptions, right? So don't bother about what others is thinking. Always focus on what you are thinking, what you are feeling, so that you will act accordingly. So that is the main motto of this exercise. And now we'll go to our next task. So that we are done with the smiley challenge and we are done with the superb drawing. Now it's time for self-appraisal. So let's take it. Just a minute. Let's take your left hand, keep it on your right shoulder. Take your right hand. Come on, say shabash, 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 shabash. Start praising yourself. Self-appraisal is one of the beautiful exercise where you will praise yourself. Always when you praise yourself, keep on saying you are the best, I'm the best, I'm the great. I'm the beautiful creature in this world. I love myself. That is what the beauty of self-appraisal. Do it every day when you wake up. Just say when you wake up, hey, shabash, shabash, you are good, I'm the best, I'm the great. Before sleeping, say it, I'm the best, I'm the great. So daily when you praise yourself, you start praising others. Praising is appraising. So not like praising the God, okay? So appraising others, appreciate others. So self-appraisal is one of the beautiful exercise to compliment others, compliment self. Okay. Now we'll do a gratitude exercise. And gratitude should be the part of our attitude. Whoever conveys the thanks to everyone. Whenever you want to thank someone, tell them thank you, not the thanks. Because whenever you are mentioning thank you, I am thanking you. I am referring you. Whenever you don't refer that you, which means that the thanks goes to anyone. Okay? You are not representing the someone whom you want to thank. So always try to use thank you rather than thanks. So let's do a gratitude exercise. Straighten your hands. Reverse. Cross. Connect all your fingers. Twist and down. Twist and up. Bring it closer to your heart. Below your chin. Close your eyes. Take a long and deep breath. Think of everything and everyone, starting from your bed, your dresses, your vessels, your home, your parents, your family members, your neighbors, your teammates, your colleagues, everyone who made you happy. Think of everything who made you happy. Let us thank them from the bottom of the heart. On the count of 1 to 12 and 12 to 1, inhale and exhale. On count start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Next, change. Now slowly release your hand. Let's move on to our next activity, a self-hug. According to the psychology, whenever we hug someone, whenever you are stressed, whenever we need some physical care, physical touch, just hug someone. If you don't have anyone, hug yourself. That is called self-hugging. Okay? Inhale slowly, deeply, and normally, and open your hands widely. Inhale and exhale and hug yourself. When you hug yourself, right hand should be on the top. And again, inhale and wide open your hands, raise your head and exhale. While exhaling, make sure your left hand should be on top. Once more, inhale, do it as slow as you can. And exhale to hug yourself. Feel that you are hugging yourself. Feel that you are hugging someone. And release all your mental stress. Inhale and wide open your hands. Exhale and hug yourself. Once again, inhale and wide open your hands. Exhale, hug yourself. Okay, release your hands. Now, we are going to do our next exercise, happy task of the day. Think of any task, being it eating, being it watching TV, being it listening to music, being it sleeping, being it work, being it cooking, being it art, so being it gardening, being it whatever the work you do, whatever it is, pick any of the tasks and do it. Okay, yesterday I asked you people to do the task. How did you feel? Did you feel happy?
Very, very happy.
Yes,
Super.
sir. Yes, sir.
Good.
Funny, sir.
One task. Yes. Telling sir.
Very happy, sir.
Sir? So, we are going to do sing a song now. The final exercise. Okay? Are you all ready?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes. We all know the alphabet. Okay? So, when we say alphabet, the first thing, you can sing along with me. Ha, E, Hi, O, Ho, E, He, I, Hi, O, Ho, Ho, Ow, How. Okay, whenever you have a kids in your home, you can teach them also. This is the alphabet laughing exercise. Remember, whenever you laugh, a smile is a different and laugh is a different. Smile is on your lips, on your face. We won't be showing, opening our mouth and showing our teeth also. But laugh is entirely different. We open our mouth widely and laugh like anything. We'll create a sound, okay? So see how our love is laughing. Okay, this is the love we are sharing with you to care your health, mental health, well-being. So let us start our song, alphabet laughing exercise. We just started with we learned the alphabet laughing. Okay, letters like alphabet, laughing alphabet we learned. Now we are going to sing a song. Are you all ready to sing a song?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Ready, start. Ha 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 ha.
Aha.
He 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 he.
He, he.
Ho 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 ho.
Ho.
Hey 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 hey. Hi 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 hi.
Hi.
Ho 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 ho.
Ho.
Ha how ha how ha how. Okay, let's once more. Ha 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 ha. He 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 he. Ho 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 ho. Hey 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 hey. Ha hi ha hi ha hi hi. Ho 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 ho. Ha how ha how ha how. Ha 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 ha. Raise your hands up. Raise your hands up. Release all your mental stress. Release all your body parts. You should feel entirely free. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. So this is one of the beautiful therapeutic approach. Even the entire laughing therapies depends on it. And I took the song of, we all know in Tamil, we have a famous song, right? So even in Telugu also, Maya Bajar song, the Gatotkacha, how he sings that song while eating the food. The same tunes we took it. So hope you like this song. Did you enjoy it? So whenever you're singing a song, yeah, whenever you're singing a song, feel it from the bottom of the heart. So mean to the each and every letter. You feel it and show it on your face. So that whenever you sing, singing is just whatever is telling is a different, but your feeling is a different. So that you will release all your emotions, all your strain, all your stress. So you'll get relaxed. That is the laughing therapy. Now, finally, it's time for choosing a random acts of kindness. It's a small kindness act. Help others. So helping others, always we think that giving a money. It's already there, Lakshmi ma'am. So I shared that whatever the invitation you get, the presentation link is there. You can see it in a presentation. And even daily in my messages also I used to share. It's just one link, MacRack. So you don't need to take the Snapchat. Okay. So these are like 12 different kind of small kindness acts. Hugging a tree. Go and hug a tree. If you have a tree in your home or in front of your home, if you don't have a tree, just touch the leaves of any tree, plants in your hand. Water the plants. Use your cloth bag, not a plastic bag. Walk for at least 1 kilometer. An app called Impact app. Whenever you walk for at least 1 kilometer, they will donate for a cause. You don't need to give money. They will donate. This is one of the beautiful apps. I've been using it for more than 7 years. All my students are also using it. Daily they used to do it. They're creating an impact just by walking. Feed animals. Feed it. Keep a water bowl for birds on your terrace or on your window or on your balcony. Thank someone. Thank every day. Thank it in person. Otherwise, call them. Write a letter. One of the beautiful approach, writing a letter. That is the reason why ancient days people used to ask the write diaries, but nowadays we missed it. We come to journals. And help a senior citizen. Help them. Play with the kids. Create a plastic-free zone. See if you can create a plastic-free zone in your home, in front of your home. So there won't be any plastic at all. And spend mobile-free hour. We know that everything into a mobile. So if you want to spend a productive time, spend at least 1 hour of mobile-free hour and share a meal. So there are many people who are sleeping with a hunger. So help them. That is the reason why I've been sharing that daily hunger codes with how we are helping the people. If you want to help somebody, go ahead and help someone in your locality. If you don't know whom you want to share a meal, so we have a hunger-free RNA program where you can contribute minimum 30 rupees so that we will prepare a food in our home and we will feed to the hunger. So that is what we do. That's what I used to share daily. And finally, thank you for smiling. Thank you for giving your smiles. I'm blessed to have, I'm filled with, my tummy is filled with all your smiles. I can see your smiles. Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, my sir.
Thank you
Yes,
so much.
yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
It's time for feedback. So we have a feedback link also. So please share your feedback. So please practice happiness. It's very, very essential to practice the happiness. As we know already, again, I'm telling the same thing. India is at 139th position out of 149 countries. Remember the need of that happiness. So, my dear friends, practice the happiness. There are many acts, and teach your family members first. Teach your kids. Teach your neighborhood. Teach your colleagues. Teach your community. Let us be happy. Let's create a happy family. Let's create a happy neighborhood. Let's create a happy community so that we will create a happy world. Are you all with me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Happiness
Yes, sir.
movement. So thank you.
Yes.
Thank you so much. So please give your valuable feedback. And if you'd like to share anything here, we have 4 minutes exactly. So anyone who would like to share anything, they can share. Yes. The floor is open for you.
Mani sir, actually, it's a very good refresher for me. After this, I'm directly going to my work, so I feel more comfortable when I'm working. I don't feel much tense.
That's fantastic. That's fantastic. Thank you. Thank you, Gokulji. Good, good, good. Superb, superb. So again, we took almost 3 to 6 months of research to come out with this program. Actually, my colleague Lavanya, she's my psychology co-student. So we've been working on creating and designing the content and all. So she helped me actually. So unfortunately, she is engaged with her brother's marriage. So that is the reason why she couldn't join. So otherwise, she would be the part of this thing. So she's helping me with, so we both does all this research, basic research, and do all these things because we want to be careful whenever we are working with the people's mental health, especially because I told you right, we cannot say ourselves as a psychologist. We are a mental health practitioners. So as a practitioner, we can teach you through the action oriented items, not by the preachers. That is the reason why I always again is to give a gyan. I don't want to sit like a samyar and early morning, evening, my parents and all sitting and listening to them. Yes, that's good for them. But the thing is that unless we have an action, one action is better than 1,000 words, right? An action.
Really happy, sir. Really very, what to tell? Doing this all, we will be feel full day will be feeling happy. Doing this exercise.
Yeah, even for this timing also we had a lot of discussion because already we had a chakra healing meditation by this time. So then I thought, okay, only because of this I converted into 7 AM so that even I made few of the clubs to a self-learning phase just because of this research and all. Otherwise, we used to have a continuous sessions till the morning 5 to 8. We used to have all the sessions, and even the 7 p.m. we used to have sessions. Even Nandakumar sir used to join every day. So because of this research, we have to stop all them. So we thought, okay, let us make some sessions, let them learn on their own, so that those who are interested, they can do again, because we cannot force. I'm giving you, that is what
Yes.
what I learned, I'm giving you these things as a gift to the community. That's it. If you want, take it. Otherwise, it's up to you.
Great.
Yes, sir.
Great initiative, sir. Great initiative. I really admire and amazed to see all your activities. Really, there is a transformation in my activity. Even the thought process and the way in approach people, everything. Even life itself is celebration that after attending all your program and following you, I really practicing or implementing whatever the inputs you are giving. Really, it's a wonderful and there is a thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. So that is what the ultimate goal is. I want everyone to be happy, whomever I reached. So be happy. So make a great and satisfied day. Thank you. See you tomorrow.
Thank you, sir.
So you can practice
Thank you, sir.
chakra healing meditation and energy breathing exercises. Everything we do. So